Just a week ago, nasa Northport ka and then suddenly, eto, naglalaro ka sa mga.
Kinda, like what I said earlier, hindi naman, it's both positive and negative whenever there's something new, diba? So, positive na, syempre, better team, competitive. Pero, I have to adjust talaga.
William, itong Magnolia kasi talagang usually contender sila yung laging nasa semi, sa finals, laging considered as title contender. Does that excite you? Yung prospect na yon na yung contender does that excite you na yung Magnolia contender, may chance ka to win a championship?
Yeah,
Mga
of
ganun.
course. Syempre, I'm used to winning ever since from college pa lang, San Beda, Ateneo, palaging na championship team. And then, yeah, it's not, for me, it's another game. It's just another game. No pressure. Why do I have to pressure myself, diba? So, just keep it simple, just have fun, do what I do best. So, yun.